ከእናቶቻችሁ ጋር ገበያ ወጣችሁ ድንገት የማይሆን ቁጥር ጠርታ አስደንግጣችሁ አታውቅም? አሁን በዚህ ቪዲዮ እንዴት በእንግሊዘኛ ልክ እንደ እናቶቻችን መከራከር እንደምንችል እናያለን። Let's get started.
Mom, look at this. They're perfect.
Oh, excellent choice, madam. These are imported, straight from Dubai. Very high quality, only 3,000 there.
3,000? Did these shoes walk here by themselves from Dubai?
No, madam, but if he wears this, he will walk with confidence. These are high quality, imported.
What import? My grandmother had the same shoe in 1960s. She even farmed them. I'll give you 1,200.
Here, በድሮ እንግሊዘኛ 1200 1,200 ብለን ነበር የምናነበው። አሁን ላይ recently it's called 1,200.
Madam, please. You want me to close my shop?
Then maybe you should stop selling house instead of shoes.
Okay. But be fair. Look at the quality. Feel it. This will last your tongue forever.
He'll never last forever. Seems decent. But I've seen stronger sandals on Robitopia roads for 10 years. 1,400.
Oh, you argue like a champion. Let's meet in the middle. 2,000.
Middle? That's to your side. Let's try 1,500.
You know what? I respect the negotiator. Deal.
My son, this is not just shopping. This is war.